Hey everyone, it's Levi again. I've been getting a lot of questions about natural toothpaste because I've mentioned that in some of the other posts. So I thought I would show you my simple 5-ingredient homemade organic toothpaste. That way this is just the best stuff. And as you can see, I think I got pretty nice teeth. And don't have to worry about a bunch of chemicals. You can actually eat it if you want to. So here we go. I'm going to move the camera into position. I'm just going to show you how I make this up. Here's my ingredients. Extra virgin organic coconut oil. Ingredient number 1. 100% pure bentonite clay. Number 2. A little pink Himalayan sea salt. This is for the actual a little abrasion there. So, and a little bit of baking soda. As you can see there, usually just a little bit of a scoop, but right there, a little bit of baking soda, put that in there. And then the last key ingredient is peppermint oil for a nice yummy flavor. So this is very simple. Grab a spoon. I'm going to take 1 spoonful of baking soda. Throw that in there. I'm going to take some bentonite clay as well. Put that in there as you can see. There's no really exact measurement on here. A little bit of salt. That's sea salt. The majority of the ingredient is going to be the coconut oil. Now I'm going to scoop that out. And last but not least, peppermint oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I usually just put a little bit, about 20 drops or so. That easy, guys? Look, mix this up. Now, depending on whether you like your toothpaste creamy or a little thick, you could add a little bit more clay to this. This batch right here is a little creamy, so I'll probably add just a little bit more clay. The clay, really good for whitening. This is great for coffee stains. I told you about Dr. De Gregorio, the dentist, holistic dentist that I saw. I asked her, because I like to have an Americano every single morning, and I asked her about coffee staining the teeth and whatnot, and she said, you brush with bentonite clay, no problem. Of course, coconut oil, known very well for antibacterial, antimicrobial, and very creamy, and just tastes good. Salts for the abrasion, gives you a little abrasion on there. Baking soda, of course, a little whitening effect as well. And then, of course, peppermint oil for the taste. And that's it. So now I've made that up. I have a little 8-ounce jar right here that I'll put that in. As you can see, looks like I made about 6 ounces there. I don't really do anything too exact. Don't get worried about it. And there you go. 6 to 7 ounces of 100% organic natural toothpaste. That easy to make, smells great, tastes great. If you swallow it, doesn't matter. Everything is food grade, no big deal. And this is the best way to get those pearly whites naturally. So stay healthy, my friends, and see you next time around.